My first impressions of Source, actually I came for my interview and Bron was the first person who I had any interaction with. And I just remember her sitting me down, asking me if I wanted a drink and just settling my nerves. And I just thought, what a nice place because of that first interaction. Ever since then, every time I see her for the first time that day, I always get the same hello that I got the first day. My favourite three things of working as well, people, is definitely at the top of my list. The products, so what we actually sell, our branding and actually the moral compass that sits behind it, I kind of like that, the way that we treat staff and the way that we look after staff, but more importantly the way that we look after customers. Two reasons, I think. First reason being the great service they get from everybody who they would speak to on the phone or even via live chat, because we kind of pride ourselves on making sure that we give great service, and having worked within those teams and seen directly how hard they work and how much importance they give to making sure they give great service, I think that can only be great from the customer's perspective. But I also think as well, when you look at our website and the quote engine that we've built and all the innovative things that we're now working on, that can again only kind of continue that thought for the customer that this is a really good company to work with. I think initially the thing I was most proud of when I first started was kind of reshaping the ops area and working with this new team that I'd kind of obviously just met, and nobody was negative, everybody was really excited about starting afresh, and watching people kind of jump into that process and kind of really work hard to make it work. And I think that was great for me, because I kind of then realised this is a really good place to work because people are committed to ideas. They don't instantly say no, but they're not against change, if you like. They kind of embrace it. And I think now the thing that I'm kind of most proud of is the fact that, you know, as a company we've taken a really strong strategic kind of direction. Everybody's kind of bought into that process now, and we're working on some really innovative stuff. Yeah, it's just a great place to be, and it really helps you kind of, I've developed a lot since I've worked there, and I've had to deal with lots of different types of things, but the one thing that's always stayed true are the people part.